Hello, everyone. Right now, I will be going over editing an email in Campaigns, which is through Engage, the new feature that just came out with Engage 2.0. So if we log into Engage, I need to go into my agent mode, and we're going to go into Campaigns. So anytime I add a campaign from the brokerage library, it's going to put all the emails into my emails so that I can preview or edit any of them at any time. So you can see also underneath it will let me know what ones are synced, which means if the company makes any edits, they'll automatically come through in my campaigns. And then if I've touched any, because I wanted to put my own twist on it, it will show me that it is not synced here. Also, you can know what campaign it is attached to by the title. So home buyer tips, well, this one is a seller warm prospect. We go down, I have my trending at home, and then the, Hannah holiday campaign. So they're all here. So if I went into seller warm prospect, know your market, I looked at it and I decided I wanted to personalize it. One, I can duplicate it, and then make it my edited version. I can just delete it if I hate it and I never want to use that email, or I can edit it here. And so there will be a lot going on. First, we have set up email where you can, rename the subject. You can, maybe put in a preview text to try to do a call to action in order to encourage your clients to open this up. And then you also can edit the email content, which seems a little overwhelming at the moment. But here we are seeing the computer view. This just lets us know, okay, this is how they're going to see it on their phone. So you can see both views. Obviously, your undo or redo buttons. You can send yourself a test and you can preview it. So right here, we do have some options for a button, divider. We can add an image here. If I double click it, I can upload an image straight from my computer. Just taking it. There we go. Or I can pick one that I already had and add it right in there. Again, I can always just delete it. But that's all under content with, spacing and kind of grid marking how I want this, to look. If I want another text down here, again, if you click into it, you can always delete. And also it gives you some row options here. If I want to do 3 little columns with little blurbs or little pictures, that's all set up for me right here under rows. And then content is where I could put in a text block or just a divider or an image there. And then of course style is going to be a little more complicated. I would really, if you're going to edit something, just click in here and then using this toolbar down here, which is a little bit more familiar. It's a lot of similar things that are on, a Word document or whatever, document program that you use. Even see similar ones that are in our own web admin where, font, you have the size, bold, italicize, underline, strike through, the text color or background color. If you hover over any of the buttons, it usually tells you what it is. Remove formatting, which you don't really have to worry about. And then of course alignment and bullet points or numbering. And then this is a link button where if you want to insert that hyperlink down here to send them somewhere. But really you can come in here and you can write anything you want. You really just don't want to be touching what's in between the parentheses. So, if I don't like saying hi, if I say hey more often, I could change that. But this is going to be pulled directly. So if I change this to Bill, because I'm sending this particular email to Bill, that's going to pull automatically. If I change it to Bill, then everyone who gets this email is going to be like, hey, Bill, and they're going to be like, that's not my name. So really don't touch the parentheses. Anything outside of that, you can touch. And so that's just kind of a little sneak peek into what you can do with email building if you are really excited and into setting up your own email templates for this campaign. So hopefully that's helpful. There's of course a lot more to it depending on how in-depth you want to get, but I just wanted to show a quick little snippet on that. Thank you.